Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to upload your static website onto Amazon S3 and make it publicly accessible on the internet. So basically you are just hosting your static website on the internet through Amazon S3. Let me share my screen here and show you guys. So I will be hosting this index.html file. It's basically my personal portfolio and it looks like this. So now it's only accessible locally. So if you have access to this file, then you can see it. But after we upload it to S3, this website will be publicly available on the internet. So let's get started. First, you want to go to AWS, of course, and log on. So let me just log into my account and you want to search here S3, okay? Wait for it to load and you want to create your bucket. And the bucket name is the thing we need to make it unique across the world. So you have to come up with a bucket name that hasn't been used by anyone else. So to make that easy, let's put in today's date. So today is May 7th, so 05/07, 2023. And then this is a S3 tutorial. So that's what I'm going to name my bucket. Region is going to be on US East. And since you want to make anything that is on this bucket publicly accessible, you want to uncheck this box, block all public access, and you have to acknowledge that you want to make this bucket public. And after that, you can just click on create bucket and wait for the bucket to be created. So as you can see, it says successfully created bucket here. And once you have this bucket, you want to start uploading your files. So let me upload first let's go to desktop static files. First, you want to update the index.html file. And then since my index.html file uses images and CSS styling, you want to upload the folder. So you have to upload CSS, images, and web fonts here. Or if you only have just one index.html file, you don't have to upload it, obviously. So let me just upload these 3 folders. So upload and then add another folder. Let me go back here. Images. Yep. And then finally, let me go back and upload web fonts. So, okay. So once you have all the files you want to upload, we go to upload and wait for everything to be done. So we'll wait a little bit, maybe a few seconds. I have 5G Wi-Fi or Verizon Wi-Fi, so it should work. Okay, so everything is done. So you close it. And now if you go to index.html and you're trying to access it by looking at the object URL, we will get a access denied. And that's because we haven't made any object in inside this S3 bucket public yet. So what we want to do first of all is you want to go to the bucket. So go here, click on properties, scroll all the way down where you see static website hosting. You want to click on edit and you want to enable static website hosting. And the index document here, you want to put index.html or whatever your file is. So mine is, index.html. Okay. And then you want to save the changes. So now the next thing you have to do is edit the permission of the bucket to make all the object inside this bucket publicly accessible. So you want to go to permissions. So let me start again. So you want to go to the bucket and then go to permissions and you want to scroll down to where it says bucket policy, and you want to edit it. And you want to add this policy that I will provide you. So let me move this out of the way. So let's just copy and paste this policy and I will give you guys an explanation, and you can pause the video right here or look at the video description to see this bucket policy. So I want to copy this bucket policy and I want to go back to the AWS console and paste it inside. So what you want to do first of all is where you see resource here, you want to replace this bucket ARN with the bucket ARN that is up here. So let me just copy this. And this is very important. You want to leave the / and the star at the very end. Otherwise, your objects will not be accessible on the internet. So you want to replace just this bucket ARN here with the actual bucket ARN. So you paste that. And this is the bucket policy that will allow any object inside this S3 bucket to be publicly accessible on the internet. And you can see here, the effect is allow, and principal is the star, so wildcard. So anything is allowed to get object on this S3 bucket. So this resource that is this S3 bucket here. So that's basically what the bucket policy is doing. So anyone from the internet can retrieve any object, which is the static index HTML website. So you want to save the changes. And so now that's basically it. If you go here and you refresh this page, and boom, there you go. My website is now live, right? And if I open this in an incognito tab and I go to the website, it's publicly accessible. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment any question below, and subscribe. My name is Kong, and thank you for watching.